Is this the beginning of our movie? Okay. Layla Rose. This is Buddy. Look. Say Buddy. Look. Buddy. No, stay over there. And Blondie.
Oh my God.
And stupid Jesse. He's not related to us, so don't worry. I'm sorry. And the horse is outside. Let's move outside. Susan,
it's too dark out there.
Oh my God, my stomach hurts.
I will have to videotape it in the morning.
Who am I, Kathy?
Huh?
Who am I?
And this is Jennifer.
Oh, and I'm filming it crooked.
Jennifer's. She's
a beautiful mountain woman.
a beautiful mountain woman.
With a mountain kind of life.
And our friend was almost going to be related. But never can tell. But Jennifer, show Jennifer.
Oh.
Not me. They know me. And what happened to the dog show?
Kayla.
Come over here.
Don't give your dog okay, maybe I should have dog. Never mind.
No, go ahead. Here, no. Are you taking pictures of the dog?
Well, it's kind of hard to. Okay, are you talking about him now?
Okay, here he is, Buddy. Buddy, look. Say hi to Layla Rose. Layla Rose, look at Buddy. Nana wants him. He loves Nana. And Isabel, what do you think? They'll like this. They'll go, yeah, Nana. This is my dog.
Sue, videotape yourself.
Oh.
Turn it around.
And Susan's taking the pictures. We'll make a movie tomorrow. Where's the other dogs?
Really hope you do.
Where's the other dogs?
You're on there.
Hello.
No, a little bit closer to the head. Okay.
Hello. Are y'all okay? You can always come to Georgia.
She's still waving.
Oh, my eyes are on fire. Taking a break, guys.